Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into the hottest AI news, and trust me, things are heating up. First up, Apple's making waves with its AI-powered iPhone. We're talking massive upgrades that have Wall Street analysts flipping from skeptical to super bullish. But are these changes enough to justify ditching your old iPhone? Let's find out. So, Bloomberg just dropped a bombshell report. Apple stock is surging, up 36% since April, adding almost $1 trillion to its value. Why? Two words: artificial intelligence. Analysts are betting big that the new AI features in the upcoming iPhone will trigger a massive upgrade cycle. Think about it. Over 40% of iPhone users are rocking models older than the iPhone 12. That's a huge potential market for Apple. But what's got everyone so hyped? Imagine this, your iPhone, but smarter than ever. We're talking next-level voice assistants, crazy accurate image recognition, real-time translation, and maybe even features we haven't even imagined yet. Basically, it's like having a personal AI assistant in your pocket, 24/7. And the secret sauce? Apple's rumored to be packing some serious AI firepower into these new iPhones. We're talking dedicated AI chips that can process information faster and more efficiently than ever before. This isn't just about making your phone a little bit faster. It's about unlocking entirely new possibilities for AI-powered apps and experiences. Now, the big question: should you upgrade? Honestly, if you've been clinging to that old iPhone 6s for dear life, this might be the push you need. The jump to AI-powered features is a big deal, and Apple's banking on it to dominate the market for years to come. But if you've got a relatively recent model, you might be able to squeeze out another year or two. It all depends on how much you crave those cutting-edge AI capabilities. Okay, switching gears now to Meta, because they're stirring up some controversy. Remember that awesome multimodal AI model they were about to release? The one that can handle text, images, audio, you name it? Well, guess what? It's not coming to the EU. Let me repeat that, not coming to the EU. Why? Meta's blaming it on the EU's unpredictable regulatory environment, which, let's be honest, is a whole other can of worms. This decision has sparked a huge debate. Some experts are saying it'll stifle innovation and put European companies at a disadvantage in the global AI race. Others argue that it's crucial to have strong regulations in place to prevent the misuse of AI, especially when it comes to privacy and ethics. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing's for sure: the EU is setting a precedent for how AI is regulated around the world. Now, let's shift gears to something a little more creative. Figma, the go-to design tool, has spilled the tea on how their AI tool is shaking things up. They're basically feeding the model massive design systems with hundreds of components and examples. So, you type in what you want, and bam, the AI whips up a design based on all that data. It's like having a super-powered design assistant at your fingertips. Here's the kicker: Figma's claiming their AI isn't about replacing designers. It's about boosting their productivity and letting them focus on the bigger picture, like user experience and strategy. And honestly, that's a pretty compelling argument. Imagine churning out website layouts, logos, and interface designs in a fraction of the time. That's a game changer for any designer. Now, back to Apple for a second. Some folks were freaking out because it seemed like Apple was using YouTube subtitles to train their AI, which, let's be honest, sounds kind of sketchy. But Apple cleared the air, saying they only use that data for their open-source OpenELM models, which are not being used in Apple Intelligence. What a relief, right? Apple's adamant that their commercial AI, including the brains behind Apple Intelligence, is trained on licensed and publicly available data. They're all about keeping things transparent and ethical, which is always a good look. But the bigger question is, will Apple Intelligence live up to the hype? Will it be the seamless, intuitive, and genuinely helpful AI experience Apple's promising? We're entering an era where AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's becoming an integral part of our lives, from the phones we use to the websites we browse. The possibilities are exciting. Let's be honest, a little bit daunting. But by staying informed and engaging in thoughtful discussions, we can help shape the future of AI in a positive way. And that's what I'm trying to do here at All About AI Tech. I'm putting in the work to bring you the latest news, insights, and analysis, all in an easy-to-understand way. But I need your help to make this channel even better. So please, hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you're enjoying the content, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Apple's AI iPhone will be a hit? Are you concerned about Meta's EU model ban? Let's discuss. I'm always striving to improve the quality of these videos and build a community where we can all learn and grow together. Your support, feedback, and understanding mean the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.